In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record sales receipts manually on QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll be confident creating a clean, accurate sales receipt for a customer who pays you on the spot. This is perfect for retail sales, in-person services, or any situation where payment is received immediately, as opposed to invoices, which are for work you'll be paid for later. First, in QuickBooks Online, look toward the top left of your screen and click New. This opens a menu of transactions you can create. From there, choose Sales Receipt. This tells QuickBooks you've already been paid and you want to capture the details right now. You'll see a form appear. This is where you'll enter all the details of the sale. Start by selecting the customer. If the customer already exists, pick them from the list. If not, you can add them quickly with just the essentials, like a display name, to keep things moving. Next, check the sales receipt date so it reflects when the payment was received. If you use location or class tracking, select those to keep your reports organized. Add the payment method such as cash, check, or card, and, if relevant, any reference number so you can match it to your records later. In the Deposit to field, choose where the money is going. If you plan to batch deposits later, use Undeposited Funds. If the money is going straight to a bank account, pick that account to keep your books tidy. Now enter the products or services sold. For each line, choose the product or service, set the quantity, rate, and confirm the amount. Make sure the income account and tax settings on each item are correct. If you charge sales tax, confirm the tax agency and rate, and double-check that taxable lines are marked correctly. If you offer discounts, use the discount field if available so totals reflect the reduction properly. You can also add a memo to note context such as an event, a service date, or internal details that will help you later. Review the subtotal, tax, and total. Make sure the total matches what you actually received. A quick scan now saves time on reconciliations later. When everything looks good and complete, click Save and Close. QuickBooks will store the sales receipt and update your sales and income reports immediately. That's it. You've manually recorded a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online, capturing payment at the moment of sale, keeping your books accurate, and your workflow simple.